currently got a Opel Astra and it's got the rear door which is having issues. It is failing to open from the inside or the outside. No issues with any of the other doors, but if you have this happen, you might find this tip useful and that I'm going to share in this video. Okay, so one thing I've found out that you can do if this has happened, which might save you cutting off or trying to get access from the inner door panel because it's completely deadlocked from both inside and the outside, is actually to lock the door. So if you lock the door, you then come into the handle, hear that click, and then it actually opens. So in this case, it's reverting back to its old ways again after you try and lock it and unlock it, but you will be able to gain access to the door by using that simple tip. Hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.